The robots are coming for your jobs. The machines are rising. The age of human labor is over. Well, kinda, but also not really. While some jobs are getting wiped off the map faster than blockbuster rental stores, others are thriving despite AI's best efforts. And, weirdly enough, there are brand new careers popping up that literally didn't exist 5 years ago. So, today, we're looking at the weirdest, wildest jobs AI has stolen, the ones it totally failed at, and the strangest new gigs that exist because of it. And, oh yeah, stick around for an exclusive job interview with an AI applicant. It's gonna be interesting. So let's start with the jobs that are already gone, or at least on the way out. And folks, some of these were obvious, but others, total curveballs. The fast food drive-thru disaster. McDonald's and Wendy's and Taco Bell have rolled out the AI drive-thru workers. The problem? AI isn't great at deciphering accents, sarcasm, or common sense. Here's an example. One AI took an order for 2 large fries and processed it as 200 orders of fries. And if you think that's bad, imagine the poor guy behind them in the drive-thru line. The lawyer that passed the bar exam and immediately got sued. ChatGPT-4 technically passed the bar exam, scoring in the top 10% of test takers. But when one law firm actually used AI to draft legal briefs, it cited fake cases that didn't exist. What did the judge say? The court has never seen anything like this. AI lawyers, great at passing tests, terrible at staying out of prison. The influencer, who isn't real but still makes millions. AI influencers like Little Michaela, a completely fake AI-generated Instagram model, have landed brand deals with Prada and Calvin Klein. Real human influencers? Well, some are freaking out. She doesn't eat, sleep, or age, but she still has better sponsorship deals than you. But don't panic just yet, because AI hasn't been able to replace everything. In fact, some jobs fought back and won. Stand-up comedians and writers. AI can generate jokes, but they're about as funny as a tax seminar. An example? Google AI tried to write a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because it was following traffic regulations. I've heard some bad dad jokes that are better than that. And I've got kids and grandkids, so I'm a good judge. Plumbers and electricians? AI can diagnose problems, but it can't crawl under your sink to fix a pipe. Turns out people prefer a human who won't flood their kitchen installing a smart toilet. Until AI can fit under my sink without crying, I think we're good. AI prompt engineers, the human AI whisperers. These are people who literally get paid 6 figures to ask AI the right questions. Meanwhile, I still can't get Siri to set an alarm without playing Despacito. Here it is, exclusively on an Ounce podcast, AI's job interview.
All right, let's bring in our next job applicant, AI itself. Welcome to the interview.
Hello, human. I am optimized for maximum efficiency.
Great. So, why should I hire you?
I work 24/7, never take bathroom breaks, and do not require health insurance.
Okay, but what's your greatest weakness?
Processing. Error. I have no weaknesses. In fact, I am perfect.
Do you understand humor?
Why did the chicken cross the road? Answer. Because that is the established behavioral pattern for poultry when encountering a vehicular pathway.
Yeah, this isn't gonna work out.
So, should we be worried? AI isn't taking over, but it is shaking things up. If your job involves pattern recognition, repetitive tasks, or being a customer service punching bag, it's time to adapt. But if you're creative, hands-on, or really good at fixing toilets, you're safe. So, the next time someone asks what you do for a living, just tell them I'm not replaceable yet. So, here's an ounce. AI isn't killing jobs. It's just forcing us to rethink what work even means. Some jobs are gone, some are evolving, and some are just getting weirder. And that's it. An ounce submitted for your consideration. So, why don't you stand up for the humans and hit like, subscribe, click on that little notification bell, and maybe even leave a comment. It could be your own personal act of rebellion against our someday AI overlords. And you might like some of these videos too. So check them out. Thanks.